Hello guys, today we have a Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Plus, and today I will show you how you can scan your body temperature by your device. So we have to, on the start we have to download this app and launch it. Now click skip. And we have to wait a second. And click here on this section, simulation. Now just hold your finger here. Close that again. And how you can see, this is my result. If you want to save it, click here and click here. That's it, thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.